Guys, this is from Tips. Today I show you how to save Canva file as PDF file and THK format. And subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open Canva and open our create project. This is your project, and click on right corner share and click on download and select file type PDF docx and click on PDF and select size, preferences, save download settings, click on and click on off and press download. Alright, open, check. Yes, this is your project. Alright, that's all.